Good morning, students, and welcome to week number 7 of online learning. This will be our last week of new material. Next week, we will still have our virtual meetings, but there won't be any new assignments. For this week, our assignment for the entire week is going to be this environmental issues project. You're going to have an opportunity to choose an issue that's important to you, learn a whole bunch about it, and then we'll share a little bit about what we learn. When you get into Schoology, you're going to find a template that looks sort of like this, a document that has all the instructions that you'll need. It's got it broken down into steps. Step 1, you're going to choose an environmental issue that you're interested in. There's a list of a bunch of issues here. You don't have to use one of these, but I might suggest you start here. I might also suggest you choose an issue you do not know very much about. Then you're going to do some research and you're going to create a slideshow to hold all of that research. At the top here, there is a template for slides if you would like to use that, but you don't have to use it. The research that you do is going to include a definition of what the issue is. It's going to include some helpful images. It's going to include some information about where it's happening, how humans are causing the problem, the science of the issue, and that will be based on vocabulary and data and other interesting facts. You're also really going to focus on solutions, like what can we personally do, and then what can people generally do. And you're going to cite your sources as you go. If you choose to use the template, it looks sort of like this, and it's broken down just what you'll do on every page. In the template, if you look down at the bottom where the notes are, it has some information there about exactly what you'll put in each space. And feel free to make it look like your own. So this week, every day is sort of broken down a little bit to try to make it a little easier to complete that project. So you'll do part of that project every single day. Always okay to work ahead just to make sure that you're done with this project by Friday. So, sort of how we thought you could break it down is choose your environmental issues project topic on Monday, and then do some research, like defining your issue, identifying the issue, and describing what humans are doing on Tuesday. Wednesday, you'll continue your research by describing the science of your issue. Thursday, you'll continue your research further, and then Friday, you'll be completely done. Every day, you are also going to add to the daily discussion as sort of a check in on where you're at with these different parts of the project. On Thursday, you're also going to add a video to Flipgrid that's a description of your project. And on Friday, you're going to watch some other people so you can learn from what they've done as well. So, again, just breaking down each day. Monday, you are going to be going to the attendance question. There's some work in there to look at an example environmental issues project. You might choose to do that first and look through what some other people have done. Then you're going to choose your topic. On Tuesday, you are going to fill in the first 4 slides on the template if you are using it to define your issue, identify where it's happening, describe what humans are doing to cause it, and then you're also going to do the attendance question in Schoology. On Wednesday, you are going to complete slides 5 through 7 if you're using the template, which is key vocab, data, and other interesting facts. Then you're also going to add to the attendance question in Schoology. On Thursday, you're going to do slide 8 of the template, and you are going to add to the daily discussion and create that Flipgrid slide. And then finally, on Friday, you're going to be sure that your project is completely done. You are going to submit your project, and then you're also going to look at 2 other videos from the Flipgrid just so you can learn from what other people have done. Students, as always, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'm really excited to see these projects. Have a great week.